Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm going to be talking about what I think is the most underrated skill in football. Maybe you don't know how to do a lot of fancy stuff, a lot of flicks and all these other skills and all that stuff that you don't know how to do, which is cool. Not everyone is skillful, but if there is one skill that you should learn or you should master, it's step overs, bro. The step over move is the most underrated skill in football, especially that one step over move where you just do one step over and change direction. There is so much damage you can do from that one move that you can do from an elastical or rainbow flick. Now, reason is because they're very unpredictable. Now, I can't really say when to use step overs or how to use step overs. I'm just gonna use Robinho's clips, for example. You can literally see clips of Robinho starting with a step over, change direction, and then move on to another step over and change direction. The reason why the step over is so unpredictable is because it goes with your movement. It's just like if you're running down the line and you want to do a cut-in, acting like you're going to do a cut-in, you do a step over and then continue running down the line. The defender's never going to see that coming because he's thinking you might want to cut in. Or you can be dribbling into a defense, you do two step overs, come back, and then maybe a defender is running towards you, you do another step over and change direction, and another defender is coming towards you, you hit another step over and change direction. That's how unpredictable this skill is. It flows with your movement. If there is one skill you should actually master, it's the step over. It's very effective, it works, it's simple, anyone can do it. But here's the trick though, if you really want to do more damage with a step over, do it with a body feint. So if you're getting the ball and you know you're going to do a step over with your left foot and change direction to your right, do the step over with your left foot, do a shoulder drop, a left shoulder drop, and then move to the right. Bro, the damage you're going to do from that one move, you're not going to believe it. I'm telling you because I've done stuff like this. Like, this is stuff I do on a regular, I hit step overs at random times when the opponent is not even expecting. There's so many things you can do with a step over. There's so many other moves that you can add into a step over. Like, you can go from a step over to an elastical, step over to a rainbow flick, step over to a reverse elastical, step over to a nutmeg, step over to a rabona, and whatever creative stuff that you can do. Take Robinho, for example. His powerhouse was the step over. The guy was just dropping players after players after players just with that one skill. How many times do you see Robinho do elasticals? How many times do you see him do flicks? Rarely. Not that he couldn't do it, but he just rarely did it. With step overs, that was his second nature. And he had mastered it so much that there is no one that he couldn't drop. So that's something that you should learn, something that you should use a lot. That should be like your daily. It should be your daily move. Always use step overs. If you're the simple player, you like simple football, well, this video is not for you. But if you're the skillful player and you want to know what works, you want to get ideas on how to improve your game, this is the video for you. Master the step over, make it in a way that your body just brings out step overs out of nowhere. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next video, and I'm out.